Guys, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, and for today's vlog, I just wanna share my dinner today. This is my dinner today, guys. Rice, and you see this block. This is a fried onion, and I have 1 piece chicken, and I have 1 piece egg. This is my favorite boiled egg. So, and I have sauce. So let's eat, guys. Thank you so much. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you don't mind. And thank you so much. So this, guys. No. Let's join. Let's eat, guys. And this is sauce. I open it, and this sauce is have spicy. So I love it spicy. So I want a piece. Spicy. You know, this chicken I want put sauce. This sauce I put like this. Yeah, and this I love it. I love onion with rice. Hello guys, tanong ko lang sana sa inyo kung nabubuhay ba ito sa Pilipinas. Ito pala yung tinatawag nilang dates. Ayan, mamimitas tayo, maghanap tayo ng matamis na. Nahuhulog lang din naman guys, hindi naman nila kinukuha. Kung mabubuhay lang sana sa Pilipinas to, kukuha talaga ako. Kasi yung mga nahuhulog na, tumutubo na siya. O diba, parang gusto ko talaga magdala. Ang tanong kung nabubuhay pa o hindi. So, yun lang guys. Thanks so much for watching.